BMXing.
What we like about boys.
Try to do a West Country accent, like
What's that?
combine harvester. And you gotta keep talking like that, you see.
It sounds like...
Farmers.
It sounds like Norwich.
Yeah, that is West Country. It sounds like Norwich.
Sounds like Norwich. What we like about boys.
What we like about boys. Anyway.
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 What we like about boys.
What we like about boys. It makes a boy more attractive when they do BMXing and skateboarding.
What if they're really geeky and they have a BMX?
Oh well.
What if someone's well good looking but they're not very nice? What do you feel about that?
Punch my face.
Good. That's a great answer. I want to call you kid.
I thought about this one. Zoe if it's a girl. And Leighton if it's a boy.
Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one.
Oh, that's a good one.
They'd be called late though. Alright, late.
Alright, late. Alright, late.
Alright, late.
Alright,
I've decided I'm gonna call my 7-year-old child Morwenna.
Is it a boy or a girl?
The girl, Morwenna, and then I'll call the other one Gypsy. Nodge.
Nodge! That's number 5.
I love it. So, what date are you gonna get married? Set one.
What?
Set a date that you're gonna get married.
Me and Joe?
No, just anyone.
Yeah, me and Joe.
Alright, you and Joe then.
June the 20th, because that's Joe's birthday, 2018. Nailed it.
I could be there.
You'll be my maid of honour.
I'm getting married in June 2083.
83?
I don't know how old I'll be then, but we'll be married then.
I'll be 21. No, be 20.
In 83.
No, but
Oh my god, I forgot to tell you. You know Thingy, who's written all over my book? My book. Like, every page. No, you're gonna get it. And I always write about him. And you talk to him. Yeah, he's not my crush anymore. I'm not even joking.
Why?
Cause I ain't talked to him in ages, so I don't feel it. You're open, you know what I mean?
It's secretly.
Yeah. I love duck.
I've got a picture of a duck. And his comfort of a cat.
Okay.
What
That's
would I
all
say?
cool. I think I should dog.
Have you ever kissed the boy?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Have you ever... Sorry. Like...
I'm at the bottom of your glass.
You don't understand what I just see your face.